Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're going to unbox this thing. Today, we're unboxing the Capri Tools torque wrench. Now, what's on the box? Well, let's find out. Of course, you have the good old 31000. That is the item number. Again, the Capri torque wrench. It's a 3/4 inch drive. Accuracy plus minus 4%, which is more than enough for my uses. It's 10 to 80 foot-pounds, which equals about 3.6 to 108.5 Newton meters. On the other side of the box, it kind of has the same information as you see here, and same thing on the bottom. Then on the back, it does have, of course, regular information, but it also has important words about safety right in here. So it says, warning, using hand tools could be dangerous. Oh, that's a good marketing strategy. Keep away from children. Makes sense. Read and follow instructions. That makes sense. Wear protective gear in work area at all times. Okay. Always wear safety glasses to use a torque wrench. Okay. And warning, cancer and reproductive harm. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, so that's really makes me feel confident there. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up, see what it comes with it, and what's inside. So what's the best way to open this? Here we go. Put that on the floor for the cats to get scared of. Open the side here. Maybe. There we go. Ooh. Comes in a nice little case. Nice little flip up. Open up. Ooh, purty. Okay, we do have, it's like a little Capri sticker right there. Capri Tools and certificate of calibration. Oh, that's good. And then what you have here, this is the torque wrench. It has a bit of weight to it, which is nice. That's what you need. Caution, read me first. Always set the torque wrench to the lowest torque setting before and after each use. Okay. At low torque settings, pull the wrench slowly before you can hear the click. Not quite sure exactly what that means, but maybe if I read the instructions a little more, I'll know. And the way you do this, you can kind of see this number right here. You can see the foot-pounds on that side. On the other side, you see NM, which again stands for Newton meters. Newton as in like Isaac Newton. This is your 0 mark. So let's say for 10 foot-pounds right there, you have 0. So then you would have, when you're on the 0, you are on whatever number you see above it, which is 10. Then of course 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oof. Then you have 15 right there. So as you see here, you have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, all the way up to 80 foot-pounds. So that definitely works. So you bring it back down to its lowest setting. All right. So there is your forward and reverse, essentially. Just like a regular socket wrench. And you have your 3/4 inch right here to put any 3/4 inch sockets on it. Let's see what the certificate holds here. Yep, that's really all it is. It's just the certificate itself. It was calibrated on a Norbar, which is exactly the way it's supposed to be, and it was inspected by Andy and his Peter. That's what it says right there. Oh, that's his supervisor, sorry. His supervisor is Peter. So Andy Peter. It was calibrated on 12/17/2019. And it looks like we're actually, the calibration is right around plus or minus 1%. So this is actually a good one. I like it. Well, let's go out and test this out and see if it works. Okay, now with the torque wrench, what you do is there's a little lock on the bottom. You kind of unloosen that a little bit so you can turn it to the desired foot-pounds. 50, 55, okay. And then you lock it down, put your socket on, and then you just go ahead and you tighten it up like you would any other socket wrench. And you keep going until you hear a click. Well, thank you for coming along with me for unboxing and first use of the Capri Tools torque wrench. And as always, have a great day.